Okay, today we're going to do our Unit 5 review. Instead of reviewing all the words, I just picked a few for us to practice today. What's going to happen is I'm going to flip the screen and it's going to be blank. I'm going to spell out a word, and if you can guess the word, you're going to say it before I show it to you. You're going to try to say each one before I show you what the word is. That's the game. Are you ready? Okay, see if you know these words. H-E-R. H-E-R. Her. T-H-E-R-E. T-H-E-R-E. There. W-H-E-N. W-H-E-N. When. M-U-S-T. M-U-S-T. Must. N-E-W. N-E-W. New. S-A-I-D. S-A-I-D. Said. P-L-A-Y. P-L-A-Y. Play. G-I-V-E. G-I-V-E. Give. Two more. S-O-M-E. S-O-M-E. Some. Last one, here we go. O-V-E-R. O-V-E-R. Over. Did you get those words right? I bet you got most of them. You can keep practicing this with all of the other words. There are lots to choose from that we just learned in the last few weeks. Remember to keep practicing your sight words every day.